If you just sign up for the A.CRE Intelligence Hub, this video shows you where to find your setup instructions and how to get connected in Manus. Start at A.I.Edge. Once you're logged in, go to the left sidebar and click on A.CRE Intel Hub under AI Multipliers. You will land on the Hub page. Before activating, take a quick look at what's here. You can see a breakdown of the 4 data sources the Hub connects to, covering rates and capital markets, census demographics, employment and labor, and residential permits. Below that, you will see the analysis skills available, organized by acquisitions, financial modeling, income statement analysis, and investment research. This is what your AI will have access to once connected. So let's enter the email address associated with your A.I.Edge membership. Check the Terms of Service box and let's click on Activate My Toolkit. Now on our dashboard, let's click Copy Instructions next to Manus. Let's open Manus in a new browser tab. Let's paste the instructions into a new chat and send. Manus will tell you to open settings in a separate tab, so let's do that now so we don't lose this conversation. Alright, I'm gonna go to settings, connectors, add connectors, and custom MCP here. Let's click on add custom MCP and choose direct configuration. Now let's follow the steps here. Server name is, okay, here it is. Transport type is, okay, HTTP. And we need to copy and paste the URL from the instructions. All right, that's here. We leave everything else blank and we click Save. Alright, after saving, let's refresh the page. Then let's open the A.CRE Intelligence Hub configuration again and let's click on Try It Out. This is going to open a new chat with a test message already loaded and we just need to hit enter. Manus will connect to the hub, show you what's available, the data sets, the skills. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna prepare an example. I'm gonna speed this part up just a little bit. And here we go. It's a breakdown, an example. Pretty neat if you ask me. And that's what it is. If you have any questions, you can ask Manus directly or you can reach out to us at admin@adventuresincere.com. And thanks for watching.